If you're still struggling with PowerPoint or Google Slides, spending hours trying to make your presentations look polished, stop right now. In the age of AI, you shouldn't be wasting your time on manual design. Instead, it's time to harness one of the most powerful AI tools out there, Gamma. With over 50 million users worldwide, Gamma generates a staggering 700,000 presentations and 4 million AI images every single day. And just last month, they rolled out a huge update that takes this tool to a whole new level. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who has already played around with Gamma but wants to unlock its full potential, this in-depth tutorial is for you. While it's impossible to cover everything in a short video, we'll walk through the most important features and updates you need to know to unlock Gamma's potential. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make Gamma work for you. Let's begin by setting up your Gamma account. Navigate to gamma.app in your browser. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward. You can register with your email address or Google account. After verifying your email, you will access your personal Gamma dashboard. The dashboard is your command center for all Gamma projects. Let me quickly guide you through its key sections. In the Gammas tab, you will find all your created presentations, documents, and social media posts. They use the term Gammas, obviously, for any content you create on the platform. The Sites tab houses all websites you have built within Gamma. Yes, you can create fully functional websites without any coding knowledge in Gamma. For visual inspiration, the Images section archives all AI-generated images you have created across your projects, making them easy to reuse. If you need a professional starting point, the Template section offers pre-designed layouts for various purposes, from business presentations to educational content. If you're seeking creative ideas, the Inspiration Gallery showcases outstanding projects created by other Gamma users. This is particularly valuable for beginners to understand what's possible within the platform. Now, let's talk about how to actually create something. When you click on Create New AI, you'll be presented with three options: Paste, Generate, and Import. The Generate mode is where the magic of AI truly shines. If you have a topic in mind, simply type it in, and Gamma AI will automatically generate an initial draft for you. We will explore this section in detail shortly. The Paste mode offers an elegant solution for transforming existing raw content into visually appealing presentations. This feature is particularly valuable when you already have notes, documents, or even content from other AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude. The import mode extends Gamma's versatility by allowing you to bring in content from various file formats and external sources. This feature is essential when you need to repurpose or enhance existing materials. If you already have a PowerPoint presentation, a Word document, or even a web page you want to transform, the import mode is where you want to focus on. We will touch upon this section at a later part during the video. For now, we will start with generating a content with a prompt. As mentioned earlier, you can create a presentation, a web page, a simple document, or social media posts. We will go with the presentation for this tutorial. Let us enter something like the future of AI in content creation and press the outline button. Gamma creates a well-structured outline for you. First, let's talk about cards. Gamma calls each slide or section a card. With the free plan, you can generate up to 10 cards, while the Plus and Pro plan offers more capacity. For this demo, I'll stick with 8 cards. Next, you will choose your page style. If you are planning to export to PowerPoint or Google Slides later, I recommend selecting the traditional page setup for compatibility. One impressive feature is language support. Gamma offers content generation in over 30 languages, making it perfect for global teams or multilingual presentations. As we scroll down further, you will see theme options. Gamma 2.0 has significantly expanded this section with beautiful, modern designs that would take hours to create manually in traditional softwares. Okay, here's a game-changing feature. you can specify how content heavy your presentation should be: brief, medium, or detailed. This depends entirely on your audience and topic. Image generation is where Gamma really shines compared to traditional presentation tools. You can generate AI images, which I highly recommend, or stick with stock images, illustrations, and animated GIFs from Jiffy. When using AI images, Gamma lets you select the image generation engine. The free plan offers Flux Flash, Google's Imagine, and Luma. While Pro and Plus plans have more advanced image generators, I find these free options quite impressive for basic content and quick presentations. For more control, click on Advanced mode. Here you can specify your audience persona, who you're creating this for, and define the tone of your content. This entire section is intuitive, so feel free to explore during your ideation stage. When you're satisfied with your selection, simply click Generate and watch Gamma work its magic. It's just fascinating to watch it create the content from scratch. Okay, let's take a moment to explore the interface after Gamma has generated your content. You will find tons of options to refine your presentation. In the center, you see the AI generated cards with their titles, content, images, and themed elements, all of which can be customized. On the left side is the film strip, giving you an overview of all the cards, similar to a PowerPoint, but with a cleaner interface. You can add new cards here, either choosing preset card types or let AI decide what would work best. Cards can be rearranged simply by selecting and dragging them. If you have many cards and need a cleaner view, you can switch from film strip to list view. Every element on each card is fully customizable. With the Edit with AI feature, you can improve writing, check grammar and spelling, and make content longer or shorter, all powered by AI models running behind Gamma. If you need something not found in the menus, you can chat directly with Gamma's AI assistant, similar to ChatGPT or Cloud, for more specific modifications. On the right side, you will find even more customization options. You can choose different layouts for your cards or incorporate smart layouts that look incredibly professional. One of my favorite features is the ability to embed media from various sources like YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, Instagram, or even existing presentations from Gamma or PowerPoint. For data-driven presentations, Gamma offers various charts and diagram options. Simply enter your data and Gamma will create and incorporate beautiful visualizations directly into your cards. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, you can present directly using Gamma's built-in presentation mode right here inside the platform. Or you can head over to Share button at the top where you will find options to collaborate with team members, share a link with anyone, or export the presentation to traditional formats like PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides. For now, let's download it as a PowerPoint presentation file. And just like that, we have created a polished, professional presentation in just minutes. Many times we have presentations that are just not up to the mark. We know they need tweaking to make them presentable, but we often don't know where to start. So let me show you an example. I found this old crappy PowerPoint presentation on climate change lying in one of my old hard drives. And wow, it's really messy. No images, just blocks of heavy text, cluttered slides. Definitely not something you would want to present in front of your colleagues or an audience. Let's use Gamma and polish this and make the presentation stand out. This time, I'll choose the import file or URL option. I'll upload the PPT file. It might take a few seconds to upload depending on the file size. Once it's uploaded, you'll get two options. You can transform the content. This lets Gamma use your existing content as a starting material, change the layout, add visuals, and basically redesign the slides. Or you can use visual import, which keeps most of the layout and visuals the same but polishes the design. For now, I want my presentation redesigned, so I'll go with the transform content option. Similar to when you generate content from scratch, Gamma will populate the workspace with cards using your original content as a guide. You will see all customization options we explored earlier when generating AI powered content. You can now provide additional instructions here also, like the tone you want, the style of presentation, or any other specific preferences. But for now, I'll keep it simple and leave it as is. Next, press continue. You'll be asked to select your preferred theme. Don't worry, you can always change the theme later if you want. And now look at that. Gamma has wonderfully transformed my crappy old PowerPoint presentation into a sleek, polished content. The layout looks clean, the visuals are engaging, and it's ready for additional fine tuning to make it even more professional. Isn't this great? So, there you have it, an in depth look at Gamma AI. Whether you are struggling with presentations or looking for a faster way to create content, Gamma AI is definitely worth exploring. Its AI powered features, user friendly interfaces, and recent updates make it a strong tool in today's content creation landscape. Have you tried Gamma? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any further questions about Gamma, feel free to ask. I'm happy to help. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.